Hi there, this is Christy, and I want to welcome you to my channel. I would love a thumbs up and a subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you want to know how to build a printable and planners business online, I can't introduce you to two other people that you will absolutely love. There's only a handful of people that I promote as an affiliate. I'm an affiliate for this program, and in return for purchasing anything that you're going to see on this page, you will get a one-for-one bonus that I'll tell you about in just a little bit. But in the meantime, Michelle and Amy have put on a 50% holiday sale. I'm not sure exactly how long it's going to last past November 2021. So I'm not sure when you're seeing this, but that is the date it's set to expire. So you don't want to delay. You really, really don't. And let me show you what's in the holiday sale. There are all of their programs 50% off, which I have never seen them do. I really, really haven't ever seen them do. And it says the magic is you, passive income planner girl. This is the one that people love because it is actually a huge business in one platform. And Michelle and Amy are excellent teachers. You'll enjoy learning from them. I was able to take this template right here and create my first digital planner and actually have made two sales on Etsy. And what the other thing I love is the templates that come in her program that allow you to actually upload them. See, look at this. This is a digital book. I love that. But she has templates that you can use right here. Here's some right here that you can see. That you can actually upload. I upload them into Canva, and then I fill them in to make my printable or planner look totally amazing. And as you can see from Michelle's graphics and Amy's graphics, they do what they're teaching and they walk the walk, and they really do offer so much value. And I'm really, really shocked and delighted that they have put these on sale. So a lot of, the people who follow me, I can proudly present them to my audience. And here, right here, this is what I'm talking about when I made my first digital planner and I use these templates. It looks so, so good. And they will show you how to make your things look very professional so that they will sell if you choose a niche that people are buying in. And with that being said, let's go into Etsy and take a quick look. I did a quick search this morning and digital planners. If you go right here, you can see I'm using Sales Samurai keyword tool. And right here, Sales Samurai says that within Etsy, digital planners are searched for 26,637 times. And if I were to click on this, it would give me more keyword phrases that are searched for in this particular niche. And this just gives you some ideas of kinds that you can make. There's all kinds of themed digital planners, and a digital planner is usually viewed on an iPad or a tablet of some kind. And excuse me, you can also make printables. Printables are things that people print out on their home computer, or they can go up the street to the pharmacy and have them printed out in color if they don't have a color printer. So Amy and Michelle can teach you how to do printables as well. And again, if you get any of their courses, I will match those courses one for one with my own courses and PDFs that are available here on this site. And I'll put a link to that below this video. And I would love to have you in my classes, and you would get, you're getting a free class for each of Michelle's classes. So it's a 2-for-1 bargain. And again, they've got a 50% off holiday sale that's going on right now. And their business model is adorable. People absolutely love Michelle and Amy. They have all kinds of courses and templates to help you be successful and actually build your online business. It's not just about a one-off template. It's a community of mostly ladies. There are some awesome men there, and they will teach you how to build an online business. A lot of people will just show you, how to do one thing, but Michelle and Amy's community is a fast track to understanding all the details that are involved. I remember when I first started my online business back in 2013, I always knew I was missing a piece because I would make a random sale here and a random sale there, but I was never really felt like I had the complete puzzle, and I always felt like I just had one piece of the puzzle when I buy this course and this software. And then it didn't, of course, I'd try it for a week or maybe 2 weeks. And when I didn't make a huge income, I just put it on the shelf, on the virtual shelf on my computer, and I would start over. And you may be feeling that same frustration, but if you enter into Michele and Aimee's thriving community, they will show you and hold your hand. It will There's so many videos there that will show you mindset, what to do, what not to do, answer your questions. They're very responsive to their students, and again, I love my students as well. And everything you buy from this holiday sale, I will match a bonus course or PDF from my Teachable School found here, and there's a lot to choose from. And I think it's a delightful sale that she's having. And I think it's a delightful bonus to be able to offer you a 1-for-1 bonus for every course you buy from Michele and Aimee, that I will match it with one of my teachable courses right here. So if you buy two, you get two. You buy three, you get three. You buy three of their products. It doesn't have to be a course, it can be templates. Then you can match something of comparable value inside of my school. And I welcome you. I love to have you. And again, I'm an affiliate for this. I proudly present this to you. And I've shown my daughter this, I've shown my daughter in law, and we all love Michele and Aimee's content and training. And I really believe that you will too. So if you've been thinking about starting an online business, click on the link below, join my newsletter, and then it will take you straight to Michele and Aimee's holiday sale. Okay. And if it's after the holidays and you're watching this, email me and ask me what the latest promotion is. And if I have a coupon, I'd be happy to help you. This is Christy. Talk to you soon. God bless you. Take care.